Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate blogging with WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. Start by setting up your WordPress website. Choose a reliable hosting provider that supports WordPress. Install WordPress on your hosting account. Select a suitable theme that aligns with your blogging goals. Customize the theme to reflect your branding. Install essential plugins to enhance functionality. Consider using a plugin like Jetpack for performance and security. Use a plugin such as Yoast SEO to optimize your content for search engines. Set up a backup solution, such as Updraft Plus, to protect your blog. Create a writing schedule to maintain consistency in posting. Use an editorial calendar plugin to plan and manage your content. Automate social media sharing with a plugin like Buffer or SocialBee. Integrate your blog with an email marketing service like MailChimp. Utilize content automation tools like Ifttt or Zapier to streamline processes. Schedule your blog posts in advance using WordPress's built-in feature. Write once and repurpose content for different platforms. Use content curation tools to gather relevant material for your readers. Analyze your blog's performance with Google Analytics to understand your audience. Optimize your content regularly based on analytics insights. Stay updated with the latest trends in blogging and automation tools. Continue refining your automation processes for maximum efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.